Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's tutorial we're going to talk about how to sketch people in public places. So definitely stick around and let's go! So before we begin, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like this video. Also, if you have any comments down below, go ahead and let me know, and let's begin! So a couple things that you're going to need for this tutorial is your sketchbook and a pencil and eraser. And I get thirsty whenever I'm sketching, so I'm going to make a fresh cup of OJ. Alright, let's start! So what I did first is I went out to Flickr and typed in people in public places and just browse and see what you find. I chose this image of an older man and a woman and some people in the background. So what you're going to start off with first is just a basic gesture, in the shape of the person, your subject that you're sketching, and we're going to just draw some outlines of the head, the body, the arms, and we're not going for perfection. This is just a sketch, and the sketch just really just gives us an idea. It's more conceptual of what our subject looks like, the idea of the concept of a person, that there's a person there just walking down the street with a cane. And so just keep it very loose and just have fun with it. Check out the Facebook group. There's a lot of good resources on there. There's also an easy guide to shading and shadowing, which is based off of last week's video of the sketching tutorial for beginners. I'll leave a link for the Facebook group and the sketching tutorial for beginners at the bottom in the description box. Whenever I'm sketching someone wearing, like in this person's case, a trench coat, I try to sketch in a little bit of the folds in the jacket, just to give it a little bit of character, and so it doesn't look so flat. And also work on shading some of those folds where you have some darks and lights. Sketching someone's face, like in the case of this woman, you just want to get an idea of where the eyes are, the nose, and the lips. It doesn't have to be so detailed to where you're actually drawing the person's face. That would be more of a, I'll cover in the next tutorial about sketching people's faces, because we just want to get an idea that they have a face, and where everything is located, their eyes, their nose, their mouth. Just more want to get the shape of their the body. Something I like to do is just sketch in a shadow that the people cast on the pavement, and just draw a little bit of the pavement in there, just so it gives the image a little bit more character, and it just shows that people aren't just floating. And here I wasn't really satisfied with the man's face, so I just decided to redraw it. And this is just me being OCD, but you know, if you're satisfied with how the person looks, then leave it that way. It's just a sketch. So I also get in trouble with that, kind of getting carried away with detail, and but that's just something that I'll have for you guys next week on sketching a person's face. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and as always, remember to subscribe, like, and give me a comment down below. Also check out this video right here. This covers the basics of sketching on shading and shadowing. Thank you, and I'll see you next week.